If you want to maximize your muscle growth, you have to stop lifting so fast. Having good lifting form involves controlling the weights on the way down, not to let the weights drop rapidly. Research has shown time and time again that the eccentric portion of an exercise is a vital, if not the most important portion of a lift to obtain hypertrophic outcomes. One study even shows that pure eccentric bicep training beats pure concentric bicep training, which is probably surprising to most folks because the concentric is what is viewed as actual lifting. Not many people care about the eccentric. One explanation for eccentrics generating more hypertrophy than concentric comes down to the force-velocity relationship. This relationship shows that muscle fibers are able to generate more force when the muscle is lengthening during the eccentric. This greater force then translates to more mechanical tension in the muscle, and since mechanical tension is one of the main drivers of hypertrophy, this just means more muscle growth. Besides all this nerd talk, at the end of the day, if you're looking to advance your gym progress, I would advise that you control the weights on the way down for all the exercises that you do.